Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you which fuse to check in case your rear window wiper is not working. This video should apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel just behind these black covers. So you want to gently pull the cover towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and this piece in the bottom left corner, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the rear wiper fuse will be this 15 blue fuse located right here. Now in case this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to do some more diagnostics. You want to check the rear wiper switch. You want to make sure that the rear wiper motor is working, so you want to first test if the power is coming to the motor. If it is and it's not working, then most likely the motor failed. If power is not coming, then you want to check the wiring and electrical connections. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.